What's up, guys? So, figured I'd mess with the truck a little bit today. I haven't had it out much. Wanted to go to this cruising we have, and I messaged the group that was hosting it because there's a certain year cutoff, and they changed it to 1985. My truck's an 86. So I reached out to these guys, and all I did was look at my message, didn't respond. So that kind of pissed me off. So I was like, well, I'm going to tear into this lockout on my truck because it's been making some noise. And, but it's only in 4-wheel drive. And I was worried that I broke this lockout because the lockouts are harder to find. It's the old brass style. These ones right here because I Scout Dana 30 front end. And there's no snap ring on it. So I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass because I was the last one to do it. And I haven't touched this thing in a couple years. And now that I'm finally starting to race it, it's like I'm starting to miss these little things. And it's a little irritating. So I end up having to buy a snap ring kit for it. And truck's just been sitting, and then, the little surprises. So I'm hoping, little stuff like that I don't catch, because here I thought it was this lockout, and it's just a cheap freaking snap ring. Of course, I don't have one, so I had to buy one, but I just kind of ran about myself. So I've been trying to get my truck out more, and either I can't get people to respond to my messages, or I got stupid shit I'm doing to myself. So that's all I got. So we'll get this thing fixed. Got a couple events I want to do. I really want to do this cars and coffee thing. It's about a 35-mile drive one way, and I think I can make it, and then they got a cruise afterwards. So that's next Sunday. That's what I'm looking forward to. And then I have a friend of mine that comes into work that is having a party really close, and I didn't get to take the white truck. Took the blue truck last year because the white truck wasn't ready. Really want to take the white truck this year. I want to get it out. Want to do events with it. Just having a hard time with it. And then after that, we're going to throw the paddles and cut tires back on it. And we're going to touch this thing off in the backyard with the cut tires on it finally. And then maybe make one trip to Silver Lake, have everything go right. Because the last time we went to Silver Lake, it was a shit show. So that was, breather was blowing off, it was overheating. It just sucked. So I've been wanting to go, but there's a million people up there. And I want to just go after work on a weekday or something where there's not a lot of people. But I'm going to shoot for hopefully a little bit towards the fall, maybe after the baby's born. That way it's a little bit cooler because I can't handle the heat so much. It's rough on me, especially when I'll have AC and I'm strapped in those seats. It gets hot in there. But I want to do that, and I'd like to do a couple cruises if I can. And then I got one event where there's going to be some fellow people from Michigan. We're going to try to do a YouTube collaboration thing going on. And then I think we're going to put the truck away for the year. So really hoping to get some stuff done. And baby's going to be due here in September. And so it's kind of the last little rodeo I got going on for right now. But that's just kind of an update I got. So stay tuned. Got a couple videos coming out, but just been having some problems. Last 3 projects I've done, they keep falling through and I can't finish them. But they're new projects I've been doing, not experienced in them, and It's kind of why I like doing random stuff, just because it's not the same boring thing over and over. But it's rough. So trying to get some content out. So I appreciate everybody that does watch my stuff. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a perfectionist. I just do my own stuff, and I like to post it. So for those of you that do like watching my stuff, thank you. Appreciate it. And stay tuned. We got some more stuff coming. So thanks for watching.